If I could go back to 13-year-old me, I'd grab them by the shoulders and say, at 13, I thought I had all the time in the world, but here's the truth. Every minute you spend scrolling, overthinking, or waiting for someday is a minute you'll never get back. The kids who started learning skills early, they're miles ahead now. Start today, even if it's small. I used to think failing meant I wasn't good enough. Now, I see it as feedback. That embarrassing art project, the cringe phase, the rejections, they taught me more than any success ever could. Stop fearing mistakes. Collect them like badges. I spent years caring what everyone thought. Newsflash, most people are too busy worrying about themselves to remember your awkward moments. Be weird. Take risks. The right people will stick around. Imagine if I'd spent just 30 minutes a day learning a language, coding, or writing. Compound interest doesn't just apply to money. Future you will beg for those extra hours. Start now. You won't be 13 forever, or 19 or 25, but today you can choose to be 1% better. Drop A in the comments if this hit home and tell me what's one thing you'll start doing differently.